Can you appeal a final denial from the asylum office? Look, we're talking here about cases where you had legal status when you got a negative decision. And first of all, first they sent you a notice of intent to deny, and then after that, you didn't change their minds. They still thought, nope, you don't qualify. So they sent you what's called a final denial letter. They don't put you in deportation proceedings. Rather, your case just ends. It's over. You didn't win your case, but you've got legal status from something else like TPS or student status or tourist status. So you just stay here with that. You can stay here legally with that. But the question is, what about your asylum case? Is there anything else you can do? Can you appeal? Kind of. It's not technically called an appeal. It's called a motion to reconsider. You can ask the asylum office to look at it again. You can ask the director of the asylum office to look at it through what's called a motion to reconsider, and it is extremely hard to win. In fact, I'm only aware of it working exactly one time, and that was when my office won one of these a couple weeks ago. We filed a handful of them, and we've won one of them. And I've never heard of anyone else winning one. And when I was an asylum officer with the asylum office, I never even saw a lawyer try one because it's so hard. The chances are so unlikely. And most lawyers don't even know about it. They don't even know it's a possibility. So what I'm saying is there is a thing you can do, but you have to really convince the office director that like they just really messed up big time. Like they made huge, obvious errors in the decision. So it's not impossible, but it's hard. It's hard to win. But there's a 30-day deadline. 30 days from the time of the negative decision, the date on the final denial. You have 30 days to submit this motion to reconsider. So that's your option.